take them down memory lane. Memory lane. I'ma take them down my memory lane. Came up little broke young and wishing that some dope coming. Doing small errands for my niggas that was dope running. Mom's passed away, it just made me insist. Yeah, my pops was around, but he was leaning and shit. I learned how to scrape before I learned how to trap. Playing ball, blowing choppers with my niggas trying to rap. Innocent at heart, but killers in the park. Straight death on they breath, and they dealing it at dark. All these bombshells dropping, hoping that my mom's watching. Most my friends from back then, up in them cold coffins. Bad choices getting made, Lord's voice is full of rage. Then end up in the box more often than the cage. Last voice is full of rage, caught walking with a gauge. Please seen it firsthand, I'ma talk it on the stage. Flea, I seen it firsthand, so I'ma talk it on the stage. Yeah, I'm just rapping my life on the stage, man. When I'm in these booths, man, I'm really spitting this shit that I live. You know what I'm saying? That's why the real can relate. What y'all niggas know about, you know what I'm saying, your mom's being murdered when you was 11 and your pops being a dope head? I came up with my sister, and look at me now. No guidance, nigga, I found it. Lord Ma!
2018, I dropped 2 projects. I Won Alf, and then I dropped Lord Talk Volume 2, which set the pace where I had West, Khan, Terminology, Mayhem, Crime Apple, all on this one project. All was produced by God Bless, which I did Lord Talk 1 and 2 with them. And then from that point, that's where people started to, pay attention. And then, 2019, I went 8 duty on everybody, man. I dropped 6 projects, 6 collaboration projects.